Children, now we will be dealing with a very significant topic from examination point of view as well as from competition point of view, that is complex cube roots of unity. Now you are already familiar with cube roots, but here we will be dealing with complex cube roots of unity. Just understand the topic. Now we already know unity means 1, cube root means obviously to the power 1 by 3. Now when you are going to take the complex cube roots of unity, the equation will be x cube equals to 1, that is x is equals to 1 to the power 1 by 3. Now here if x cube is equals to 1, then 1 could be transferred to this side and the equation is x cube minus 1 equals to 0. And you know from remainder theorem that x minus 1 becomes one of the factors, because if you put x equals to 1, 1 minus 1 becomes 0. Hence for this cubic equation x minus 1 is one of the factors. Now if x minus 1 is one factor, the other factor will be quadratic expression, which is x square plus x plus 1. Now this you can obtain by dividing or by algebraic method. You already know the method, so I have not shown the method here. Hence these are the two roots now for this equation, or you may call two factors. One is x minus 1, the other one is quadratic factor x square plus x plus 1. Now x minus 1 means x is equals to 1, that is the real root. Now x square plus x plus 1 is quadratic expression. If we solve this expression using the Sridhar Acharya formula, that is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, then in that case we are going to get minus 1 plus minus 1 minus 4 into 1 whole thing upon 2 should be here, and which is equal to minus 1 plus minus under root minus 3 upon 2, and minus, obviously now you know that minus could be replaced by I square, and hence we are getting the complex roots of unity. Now these two roots are named as, with the plus sign we call it omega, and with the minus sign we call it omega square. Now hence these two, omega and omega square, are said to be complex cube roots of unity. That is minus 1 plus I root 3 by 2 and minus 1 minus I root 3 by 2. You have to remember them because you need to use these while doing different types of sums on simplification. So you have to remember the values of these. Now there are few properties of these omegas and omega square. The first property says that square of this root, complex root, will give you the other root. So omega square, I have not shown you the proofs. If you are interested in proof, you can do it yourself. We need to know the properties. So omega whole square is equal to omega square, and just vice versa. Square of this root will be equal to omega square to the power, this is equals to omega to the power 4, that is omega cube into omega, that is equals to simply this root. Hence this property you have to learn. Second property, which is very extensively and very often used, 1 plus omega square equals to 0. That is, the roots of unity, if they are summed up, real and complex, it is equals to 0. But when you multiply all the three roots, you are going to get omega cube, which is equals to 1. And the last property is very useful, that is, one root is reciprocal of the other one. That is, omega is equals to 1 upon omega square, and vice versa. Omega square is equals to 1 upon omega. Again, you can prove it very easily by multiplying by omega numerator and denominator. Omega cube you get, and this will be omega. So omega cube is already 1. Similarly, here also multiplying and dividing by omega cube. If you write 1 as omega cube, you will get omega square. Now, regarding this, we also know these are all the identities or the properties which we'll be using while doing the sums. So you need to remember them. Omega cube equals to 1. 1 plus omega square equals to 0. 1 plus omega is equals to minus omega square. 1 plus omega square is equals to minus omega. Omega plus omega square is equals to minus 1. So these are the complex cube roots of unity as well as the properties of complex cube roots of unity. We need to go through these and keep all these properties as well as this article into consideration.